On today's Fit to Eat, Chef Rob Stinson beefs up supper time with a delicious spinach and cream stuffed tenderloin. It's a healthy and hearty meal that's the perfect blend of flavors. Restaurant quality cooking has never been easier. First things first, we chop. We'll start by preparing the beef tenderloin itself. For this recipe, we're using a 12-ounce Teres major, or shoulder cut. Take a sharp knife and stick it underneath the skin in the center of the tenderloin. Then, use the knife to pull the skin off in either direction. It should come right off. Once the skin is off, we'll have a perfect piece of beef that's just enough for 2 meals. So go ahead and cut it in half. Take this half and cut it horizontally so the meat can open up like a book. Heat up a half teaspoon of oil in a pan. Drop in the diced onion, minced garlic, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Heat these for about a minute. We don't want to overcook the garlic. Place 2 ounces of fresh spinach leaves, which is about a handful, and place them on the pan. Drizzle some water over them so they'll soften. Take the spinach and place it inside the tenderloin slice. Next, take the fresh basil and add it to the onion and the garlic still in the pan. Drizzle a half teaspoon of balsamic vinegar over everything and watch it sizzle. Take a 2-ounce piece of fat-free cream cheese and place it on top of the mixture. While the cream cheese is still intact, transfer everything to the tenderloin piece. Fold the tenderloin to encase the stuffing as much as you can. A few toothpicks can help to hold everything in place. Sprinkle a tablespoon of paprika over the tenderloin and then place it in the still hot pan. Sear one side and then carefully flip it over and sear the other. If some of the stuffing falls out, it's okay. It's all going to the same place eventually. Cook the beef to your desired degree of doneness. And just like that, a delicious spinach and cream stuffed tenderloin that is fit to eat. To see the full episode this recipe came from, visit mpbonline.org/fit-to-eat or follow the link in the description below. Chef Rob is joined by Emily Davis, the Director of Education at the National Diabetes and Obesity Research Institute. They pair this stuffed tenderloin with a delicious spinach and cream sauce with Brabant potatoes. For more fit-to-eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.